What's up, y'all? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Linnea. I live in the suburbs and I'm on a mission to become semi-self-sufficient. On my channel, we make sourdough, we do recipes, we garden, we do all the fun things while living in the suburbs. So, if you're interested in that, consider subscribing, liking the video, whatever. It helps me out and I appreciate it. Anyways, with all of that being said, today we are going to a cat birthday party. Yep, our friends have a cat. His name is Spaghetti, and he is turning 10 years old today. I think it's today. I don't know. His birthday party is today. And Calvin is eating stuff off the floor. And I have been asked to make some bread for this cat's birthday party because the cat's name is Spaghetti and it's a pasta themed party tonight. So I'm going to show you all how to make same day sourdough garlic cheesy bread that is delicious. It will be a party winner tonight, I think, hopefully. But yeah, I'm already like halfway through making the bread, but I decided to film my intro now. Anyway, yeah, let's get to making the bread. Let me show you this loaf of sourdough that I made this morning. It's not on video. Like I didn't make a video out of it, but I just made some cheesy sourdough this morning and I carved a cat head into it and I am proud of it because I am not artistic or creative. So let me show you guys. Hold on. This is my cat sourdough. I'm pretty impressed with it. It kind of looks like a cat. So yeah, that's my loaf of sourdough, but that's not the point of this video. The point of this video is the bread. Alright, in this bowl I have 420 grams of water, and now I'm going to add 200 grams of our active sourdough starter, and let me show you this. So I fed this last night. Let me see if I can zoom out. Fed this last night and that's what she looks like. So we're gonna add 200 grams of this mess. Alright, now I'm going to add 600 grams of bread flour, and if you don't have bread flour, just use regular flour. Make sure it's unbleached all-purpose flour, but it'll be fine. And I don't even think I have 600 grams of bread flour, so we're going to be using both. Okay, so it has been 45 minutes of just letting this sit. Next thing I'm going to do is add 12 grams of salt to this. I like to add a little bit of water to my salt to kind of help it dissolve before I put it in there. That's not necessary, it's just what I like to do. And then I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder since this is going to be a cheesy garlic bread. This is the garlic powder that I grew this garlic in my garden and I made it into a powder. So we're going to add some.
What are you doing now? What are you doing? You look like up on the couch. Oh, are you making a video?
Yeah. Sorry. What are you doing, Cal? I hope everyone heard Jonathan talking to Calvin. Okay, so I'm gonna fold it in, and then I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for an hour. All right, that's what it looks like. And now I'm just gonna do stretch and folds for the next 2 to 3 hours. I'm gonna do these stretch and folds every 30 minutes. Like I said, for the next roughly 2 to 3 hours, depending on how much time you have. And I gotta see when this party starts that we are going to, so I can determine how long I have to do stretch and folds and letting it just sit on the counter. So I will be back, show you a couple more stretch and folds, and yeah, I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, this is my last set of stretch and folds, and then I'm going to let this sit on my counter for 2 hours. So it's 2 o'clock right now, 2:01. So at 4 o'clock I'm going to come back, and I'm going to shape these into like baguette shaped breads. So yeah, we're just going to be back in 2 hours. Alright. So it's been 2 hours, and this is what it looks like. It's pretty sticky, so I am going to put some flour on it. Then I'm going to dump it out and split it into 3 even sections. And for this recipe, I am only going to make 2 loaves because my baguette pan only makes 2 loaves. So I am going to just save some of this dough, make pizza out of it or something. But yes. I'm gonna just let these balls sit out on the counter for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna shape them and put them in the pan and let them rise for about an hour. I'm sorry the lighting is bad. Our kitchen just gets sun all the time, so the lighting is just bad. I have my oven preheated to 500 degrees, and then right before I put these in, I'm going to lower it to 450 and bake these for 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how long, how dark they get, you know, all the things. So I'm just going to cut these. And then put a tray full of ice underneath of it so it adds steam. Close it up, and we'll come back in like 25 minutes. Alright guys, one of these got a little out of hand. You're about to see. So she got big. It's okay. I'm just making a cheesy loaf out of it, so it's fine. And then this one's normal. This one looks so funny. I'm gonna let these cool for we need to leave in 25 minutes. So I'm gonna let these cool for like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna make up a cheesy garlic mixture to put on these, put it in the broiler, pull it out of the oven, cut it up, and leave really quickly. So I'm in a time crunch, but you know, I don't really care if I'm late. People will eat the bread regardless. Okay, the lighting is horrible. Again, I just have some melted butter with some garlic powder in here, and I'm just gonna do this. I did cut one of these in half. I feel really bad for cutting it while it's so hot, but you know, like I said, these are same day and we are in a time crunch. So, just gonna spread the butter. I do have my oven on broil. My oven has a setting for high or low broil. I did put it on low because I'm not looking to burn this after I worked hard on it. So that's where we're at with that. Y'all know I got the best cheese ever. You can use whatever cheese you like. This is just the cheese we like from Trader Joe's, so I'm going to spread it on the top. And I don't think I will take video of us trying this bread because we're bringing it to a party, but I will give you all the pleasure of getting video of the cat party so you all can, you know, see what this cat party is all about. Okay, let's not burn anything. Every time I broil anything, I freaking burn it, so let's see. Okay, I think it's good enough. Oh yeah. So I'm just gonna repeat this process with the other one, cut them up into strips, and go to the party, which we need to leave for in like 10 minutes, but you know, here I am filming a video.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two. Hey darling, you know we're gonna have a really good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright.